Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So I hope everyone had a great weekend. Today is Monday, and Monday started off very, very good. We took 88% on a call contract that was alerted on the Discord before I got in. My entire trade plan was posted on the Discord before market open. So, this is a trading community that I have come on here many, many times and said there's a lot of benefits to it, not just because of the experience that I'm putting out there, but there's a lot of other traders. Hundreds of other traders are in that community, and everybody has the same idea: making money in the stock market. People have different strategies. I have multiple strategies. I could trade indexes, momentum, options, futures, you name it, except for I think Forex is the only thing that I haven't traded. I've done. So, this is a really good community, and I'm going to show you guys the trade plan, and how I knew where the market was going. So we trade the SPY, either call options or put options, depending on these key levels. These key levels that I also post just for my Discord. I used to post it on other social media, but since the Discord is a paid service, that is something that just my members get now. And these levels are really, really key in determining, where you're going to be taking trades from. So why don't we start out, and I'll show you guys exactly what we put here on Discord this morning, 8:43 a.m. I wrote on here that I basically was saying my trade plan. So my trade plan, a hold over, remember this, 437 calls with stop under 436.50. And we have room to 440, okay? If we break the pre-market low, then it's puts. So there's always going to be either calls or puts. That's how you trade a specific index. You can't trade it to just go sideways. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. And if it's trading sideways, you don't want to be trading it because you will get chopped out. So that's it. If it holds over 437, and we're going to be watching it at the bell at this point, then we're going to get into calls. Now, that happens, and then I put right here 943. There we go, calls. Okay. So far, so good. 437 held perfectly. So my trade is there for everyone on Discord to see. And now we go to the screens. Okay, so this is what my Webull platform looks like when I'm trading options. I only trade options on this platform. I don't trade stock on it, just options. And I like what I have so far. I like what I see so far. It takes a little getting used to, but I still use Thinkorswim for all my other strategies as well. But options, this works really well, and it is extremely cheap. It's only 14 cents per contract. That's it. And that's round trip 14 cents. So it's a lot cheaper than Thinkorswim. So anyway, going into the day, we're going to look here. This is the SPY. Okay. I make these lines before market opens. So what did I say back on Discord? If 437 holds, because that's a previous level that is very important that I post on Discord, all the key levels. 437 was one of them that we had to break and hold. So right here, you can obviously see, I mean, almost to the penny, guys. 437 held. That is when I got into my call contract. I'll just pull that up here so you guys can see the price that I did. I still haven't figured out a way to show my entire platform without showing my account numbers and everything else. I'm just not comfortable yet putting my account number out on the internet. So this is it. Bought it at 64 cents, was out at $1.20. That is very, very good. That is 88%. And 88% win. I mean, you know, it doesn't get much better than that, especially in such a small amount of time. So right here, you can tell this is where I got in, 64 cents, right here. This is the contract that I'm trading. So on this platform, it's really cool because you can be on your contract here on one side, and you can have the index over here on the other side. And you can see here the SPY pulled back at this really, really heavy supply zone here. You know, the sellers definitely won out. There was not enough buyers for the next leg up. So we got a pullback. Now we're approaching that level again. And it's only been 10 minutes. So, you know, the market is looking very, very strong today. Maybe we do get a break of this very key level. And if we break and hold that, this pullback / correction, you know, may have been just the 6% that we saw. This is a very important area. And, you know, you can tell these levels that I have, I mean, that is pretty good. That's pretty good. Right to, you know, anyway, sometimes I like to gloat. But, you know, this was a pretty good, perfect call, as good as the call gets. And, you know, a lot of traders took this, and I hope that a lot of traders that saw me post this took this trade, because as a group, there was a great opportunity here that presented itself. I mean, rarely do you go from one key level to the next key level, which is a $3 move in the first, you know, 45 minutes of trading. So this is a very, very nice move. Will it hold up? I don't know. So anyway, the trade, I get in here and then I sell, which was up here, previous resistance, the first leg of that previous resistance. Right here is where I sold. So, you know, very nice trade, 88%. I will take that any day of the week. And, you know, I hope that you guys, actually, I'll show you here before we end the video where you can find my key levels that I post every day. This is the key levels that I post every day. This is the SPY. So you can see here the 440, the 437 in purple. That means that those levels are very, very important. These purple levels are always, you know, the most current, extremely important levels that we post. So you can see here, and this post was at 5:58 this morning. So guys, I highly recommend coming into our community and, you know, seeing what we have to offer. We have many traders in here, a lot of different strategies, and it's just good to trade in a community that, you know, a lot of other, you know, really good traders are in, and some great ideas that we could bounce off each other. So if you guys do want to check this out, come in, join. The link is in the description. It's only $99, one-time payment, and you're good for life. You get these levels every single morning. I do not miss a morning. So, you know, highly recommend that. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up for me. I'll see you guys back on the next one. Take care, guys.